Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. When I got so tired of running out of charred punkwood all the time, I just went ahead and kept making it every day until I fill this jar up. Now I am so tired of running out of char cloth. Here are some denim shorts, and let's just get started right here, see what we can tear off of it. Now this is not going to be a how to make char cloth tutorial, but I have a char cloth playlist that has all of that information in there for you. So you don't want to overstuff your char tin. But these 2 cans will be a good start on filling up this bottle. Oak on oak, fat wood bearing block. Probably use that divot right there. Pine needles for a tinder bundle. We'll get the leaves started. We'll put some more of that oak in on those leaves, get some good hot coals, and start cooking up some of that char cloth. With my Bayite key ring ferro rod. And we got wind blowing. Let's try from over here. Yes, I could scrape the fat wood, but I want to make that set produce. So let's just see what it can do. Try not to sweat into it. Move this back because that's going to be a towering inferno once it takes off. Let's go to time lapse. Let's see if we can come up with a piece that will ignite. There's a nice big piece. It's about 1 inch by inch square. And as usual, you want to tear it in half. Try to expose some threads. No threads were exposed on that one. So let's tear it this other way. No good threads on that one. Let's see how ignitable it is. Well, we got one of those 4 layers to ignite, didn't we? Good. We've got a start on our empty jar. Little smoky, but still reactive enough. Even with my glasses on, I got that wrong. Whoa. Here's the one that we did not let go to flames. Is it just a coincidence that it is so clean? Oh, I know you can't see it. But this is clean, both sides. Let's try to ignite a piece of it. How about that 1 inch right there? I'm sticking with 4 layers. So we'll tear that in half. Tear that in half. And try that. Whoa, I just lost some of it. How bad would that be if it was ignited? I don't see it down there. I need to put this over on this other edge so I can hold it better. Right there. Now let's try that. I think they're all right. I can't tell the difference yet. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Well, here's a piece of that char cloth. Am I going to have to blow on it? We'll catch you on the next one.